So we'll start with 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 cup diced onions, 2 diced garlic cloves, and 1 diced jalapeno pepper. Go ahead and stir it up a little bit on a medium flame. Let it cook until everything looks a little browned. Then we will add 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon paprika. Then we'll go ahead and add in 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 1 can of black beans, stir it together nicely, and if you'd like, you can add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of water if it looks too dry to you. I did add it, and then I cooked it back out again. It just makes the flavors come together really well. And this is a super quick recipe. Now just go ahead and heat up your tortilla, throw in the beans, crisp up both sides a little bit with the beans, and I served it with my vegan sour cream, which I mixed with shredded carrots, red peppers, and onions, and a little bit of fresh pickled onions on the side, and of course always a little bit of cilantro to just green it up a little bit. So comes out delicious. I hope you enjoy. Really nice high protein meal. You can use any tortillas that you like. You can use gluten-free, corn, white flour, whole wheat flour, whatever works best for you. Enjoy, and don't forget the pickled onions.